Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today, I am going to continue our chapter 3, that is more on MS Word. So let's start. First of all, I am going to tell you the topics which we have discussed earlier in our previous videos. We have discussed how to edit text. We have discussed how to copy and move text. Then how to format a document. We have discussed also the making text bold, italic and underlined. We have seen how to change font and font size and font color. These things we have discussed in our previous videos. Also, we have discussed how to highlight the text. Then alignment. Then in our previous video, we have seen how to create list with numbers and bullets. How to redo and undo and redo, and also we have seen how to check the spellings and grammar. All these topics we have discussed earlier in our previous video. So now let's start this video. In this video, first of all, I am going to tell you how to insert a table, and before that we should know what the table is. So, a table consists of rows and columns. A table consists of rows and columns, and the intersection of rows and columns create boxes that are called cells. Just see, these are the rows and these are the columns, and when they intersect they make a cell. And the tables are often used to organize and present information. So this is the use of a table. Now we see how to insert a table. So here are some steps that have to be followed to insert a table in MS Word. So the step 1 is click the Insert tab. You will find different tabs on MS Word window, and from there you have to click on the Insert tab. Just have a look in the diagram also. Here is the Insert tab. First of all, you have to click here. Then second step is click the table from the table group. When you click on the Insert tab, there you will find this table button in the table group. You will find the table group, and when you select the number of columns and rows by dragging the mouse over the small boxes. See, when you click on the table tab from the tables group, you will find this type of window, and from here you can select the number of columns and rows by dragging your mouse over these small boxes. See, you can see this selected table on your screen. This insert a table with the specified number of columns and rows. The cursor is placed in the first cell. You can enter text in the cells. To move from one cell to another, use the tab key. The tab key is present in your keyboard. If you want to move from one cell to another, you have to use the tab key, or you can use the arrow keys also. So there are two keys. With the help of them, you can move from one cell to another. The next we are having print preview. Let's see what it is. Before you print your document, you have the option to preview the final outcome. If you want to see the final outcome of your print, you have to go through the print preview. So you have the option to preview the final outcome before sending it to the printer. Before sending it for printing, you can see the final outcome. You can use the print preview menu item on the file menu to do this. This you will find in the file menu. This print preview option you will find in the file menu. Next we are having printing. Now to print your document, select the print menu. You have to select the print menu item on the file menu. You will find this print menu item on the file menu. You will be given the option to select your printer. First of all, it will give you the option to select your printer, the number of copies you require, and the other options before printing. So many things it will ask you before printing your paper. Next we are having thesaurus. Now see what is the use of it. See, if you are trying to find just the right word, then the thesaurus provides synonyms for any word you have written. If you want to find out the same word, you have to go to the thesaurus. It will provide you the synonyms of any word. It will provide you the synonyms of any word that you have written. The thesaurus is a book. It is a type of book, software program, or online service that provides alternative or similar words to a word. For example, searching for brave. Searching for brave may return synonyms like courageous, daring, fearless, bold, and antonyms like cowardly. So, a thesaurus is a software tool that included with some word processor that provides synonyms for selected words on command. And the user using Microsoft Word can open the thesaurus by highlighting. See, I am highlighting. This is the way to highlight. Highlighting the word they want to look up and pressing the shortcut key, that is Shift plus F7. You can find out the list with the help of this shortcut key. You just press the Shift plus F7. See children, we are having so many shortcut keys which we can use. So let's have a look on some of them. First is Control plus N. Control plus N create a new blank document in some software programs. Second, Control plus O. It will open a file in the current software program. Control plus A. It select all text. Whatever the text you have written, it will select all the text if you will press Ctrl plus A. And Ctrl plus B, change selected text to be bold. If you want to change the selected text to be bold, you just press Ctrl plus B. And Ctrl plus I, change the selected text to be italics. And Ctrl plus U, change the selected text, only the selected text, to be underlined. Ctrl plus S, save the document. Ctrl plus F, opens find window for the current document or window. Ctrl plus K, it insert hyperlink. It can insert hyperlink for the selected text, only for the selected text. Ctrl plus C, it copy the selected item. Ctrl plus V, paste the selected item. Ctrl plus X, cut selected item. Ctrl Z, undo the last action. It can undo the last action. Ctrl plus Y, just opposite of the previous one, redo the last action. Ctrl plus B, print the current page or document. Shift plus Home. Shift plus Home highlights from the current position to beginning of the line. If you want to start reading or writing anything from the beginning, you just press Shift plus Home. Shift plus and is just opposite to it. The Shift plus and highlights from the current position to the end of the line. Shift plus del is cut selected text item. Then we are having Alt plus F. This is File menu option in the current program. Alt plus E is Added option. You will find the Added option in the current program. Alt plus Tab, switch between open programs. Alt plus F4, close the currently active program. So these are few shortcut keys that you have to learn also. By this, our chapter 3 is over, but before ending, just have a quick recap. So first one is, there are two parts of ribbon, that is tabs and grooves. We will select any text by using mouse also. Formatting is, what is the formatting? Formatting refers to changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. Next, the look and shape of letters of a text is called font. The size of letter of the text is called font size. Undo refers to cancelling the command given earlier, and redo means to reverse the undo. Next is, the way in which text is placed in a page is called alignment. Then last, we are having, we may give different colors to our text. Thank you so much.